Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best plant-based cookbooks is probably one of the most exciting culinary trends right now, offering delicious and healthy alternatives to traditional meals. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just curious about incorporating more plant-based dishes into your diet, the world of plant-based cookbooks is vast and varied. Today, we're diving into some of the top cookbooks to help you discover new flavors and recipes. Number 5. Blue Zone's Kitchen, 100 Recipes to Live to 100. Have you ever wondered how people live to be over 100? This book holds the key. It reveals the secrets of the blue zones, where people thrive for a century. Inside, you'll find 100 delicious recipes. They are inspired by the diets of the world's longest-lived people. It is all about eating well to live well. Many recipes are plant-based and packed with flavor. It is designed to nourish your body and delight your taste buds. The recipes are easy to follow and perfect for any home cook. This book offers more than just recipes. It provides insights into the lifestyle habits of the blue zones. It will inspire you to make positive changes in your life. Ready to live a longer, healthier life? This book is your guide. It is time to embrace the blue zones lifestyle and start your journey to 100. What we like. This cookbook focuses on recipes inspired by the blue zones, where people live the longest, healthiest lives. It offers a unique perspective on plant-based eating, emphasizing longevity. If you are looking for recipes that promote not just health but also a long and vibrant life, you should consider this one. What people say. The recipes hail from the fabled blue zones, places like Sardinia, Okinawa, and Nicoya, where people somehow outsmart death while making meals that are surprisingly low on kale but high on flavor. It's filled with vibrant, plant-based dishes that make you realize beans are not just a side dish, they're the main event. The 100 recipes in Blue Zone kitchens are not outlandish, and though there are a few unusual ingredients, they are obtainable by mail order if you live in a more remote area. For example, goji berries are found in health food stores and Asian groceries, but you can mail order them. Number 4. Forks Over Knives Cookbook, Plant-Based Recipes. Are you looking for delicious and healthy recipes? This cookbook is packed with over 300 simple plant-based recipes. It's designed to help you feel better every day. This book can help you achieve your health goals. It provides recipes that support weight loss and overall well-being. Try it and see the difference. Eating plant-based meals can significantly improve your health. This cookbook offers a variety of recipes to make you feel energized and healthy. It's a great way to start your journey to a healthier lifestyle. This cookbook is a New York Times bestseller for a reason. Its popularity stems from its effective recipes and the positive impact it has on people's lives. Get your copy today. With over 300 recipes, there's something for everyone. Each recipe is designed to be simple and easy to follow. It makes healthy eating accessible to all. What we like. This cookbook is a New York Times bestseller and focuses on helping you lose weight and feel better. It offers a wide variety of simple and delicious plant-based recipes. If you are looking to shed some pounds and improve your overall health with easy-to-follow recipes, it's a great choice. What people say. The foods in this one are just so well thought out. There are loads of recipes here, over 300, making this a wealth of choices, no matter your mood. The recipes are clearly organized by category, which makes finding certain recipes easier. Number 3. Plant Over Processed, 75 Plant-Based Recipes. Are you looking for simple and tasty plant-based meals? This book is filled with 75 recipes designed to nourish your body. It's all about eating from the earth and enjoying every bite. This cookbook focuses on using simple, whole ingredients. It provides you with the tools to create delicious meals. You'll find it easy to incorporate these recipes into your daily routine. From quick weeknight dinners to impressive dishes for guests, it has something for everyone. The recipes are designed to be both easy to follow and incredibly flavorful. You will love it. The book emphasizes the importance of eating natural, unprocessed foods. It encourages you to embrace a plant-based lifestyle. This will help you feel your best. This book is your guide to a healthier and more delicious way of eating. It offers a variety of recipes that are both simple and satisfying. It's a great choice for anyone looking to improve their diet. What we like. This cookbook emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods, perfect for nourishing your body. It provides simple and delicious recipes that are easy to prepare. If you like eating from the earth and avoiding processed foods, it's the perfect cookbook for you. What people say. Not only does it have some wonderful and easy recipes, but there's also a huge section about the why behind the plant-based lifestyle. There is also a 30-day challenge in the book to kickstart your journey. The recipes themselves are easy and simple enough that anyone could make them, but complex enough to be delicious and nourishing. Number 2. Plant-Based Woman Warrior Cookbook. Are you ready to embrace a life of strength and vitality? This cookbook is your guide to becoming a plant-based woman warrior. It empowers you to live fiercely and boldly. Discover a world of flavors that nourish your body and delight your taste buds. This cookbook is packed with delicious, plant-based recipes. It makes eating healthy an enjoyable experience. This book is more than just recipes, it's a lifestyle. It encourages you to embrace your strength and live life on your own terms. It's about feeling confident and empowered. Explore a variety of plant-based recipes that are easy to follow and packed with nutrients. This cookbook provides everything you need to create amazing meals. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. Transform your health and well-being with every bite. This cookbook helps you create a sustainable and delicious way of eating. It's time to feel amazing from the inside out. What we like. This cookbook is designed to empower you with recipes that are both delicious and aligned with a bold lifestyle. It offers a unique approach to plant-based eating, encouraging you to live fiercely. If you are looking for a cookbook that inspires and fuels your adventurous spirit, it's a great fit. What people say. It is larger, bigger pages, many more recipes, and the photographs are improved as well. Recipes in the first book were limited because they never included nuts, whereas this book includes nuts when appropriate. The dessert recipes are more appealing and mainstream, out-of-sight brownies and chocolate cake with German chocolate frosting, rather than kale cake with blueberry frosting. Number 1. Plant-Based Cookbook, Vegan, Gluten-Free, Oil-Free Recipes. Are you looking for healthy and tasty recipes? This cookbook is perfect for you. It offers a variety of vegan, gluten-free, and oil-free options. This cookbook caters to various dietary needs. It provides delicious recipes that are both vegan and gluten-free, with an emphasis on being oil-free. This cookbook is designed to support your health. The recipes are created to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle for years to come. The cookbook includes easy-to-follow instructions. It makes cooking plant-based meals simple and enjoyable for everyone. Explore a wide range of flavors with this cookbook. It will introduce you to new ingredients and cooking techniques. What we like. This cookbook provides recipes that are vegan, gluten-free, and oil-free, focusing on lifelong health. It offers a comprehensive approach to plant-based eating, catering to various dietary needs. If you have specific dietary restrictions or are looking for recipes that support long-term health, it's an excellent choice. What people say. The recipes are wonderful as written, not requiring lots of additions or more spice to make them tasty. The nutrition level of the recipes are higher than any other cookbook I have, and for the most part these recipes are quite simple to make. Ashley is extremely innovative with her recipes, the ingredients are very accessible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.